We're celebrating a 40 years anniversary of our robots. What I learned today, we're also celebrating the 10th Automatica, and we're here from the beginning. So we're celebrating 40 years in which our robots are sold to the open market. We developed the robots a little bit before for our own applications, mainly for watch production, so high precision, high speed. But 40 years ago we started then to sell to the open market. We're showing the GX series here for the first time, and it's based on an existing G series, but the new thing is we're now already showing the new upcoming safety requirements, SLS, SLP, and in the future also more. Yeah, one of the main challenges is we see more and more this so-called reshoring. Production coming back to Europe, because we all learned now in the last years, painful, there's a risk of destroyed delivery chains and a lot of things. So production has to come back to Europe. What we are facing is a lack of skilled people working. In the past there was always the claim robots are killing jobs, which they never did. When you see automotive industry, they started very early with automation, they are a booming industry. So automation helps to keep jobs. Nowadays, the problem of the companies is they want to produce here, but they can't. So automation is a must. Even for simple applications where then customers say, okay, I need affordable automation, I need easy programming, and these are the challenges. Luckily, we have answers to that, and so we can support this market.